So what did Miss Kimberly tell us that we're going to be writing about today?
This week and I.
This week and I. And how many sentences are we going to have?
3.
3, because we're going to write about 3 different things that we did over the weekend. Now, think about in your big, big smart brains. What did you do this weekend? What did you do?
I got new rings.
You got new what?
Rings.
You got new rings this weekend. Brayden, what's something you did?
I went to Susan's birthday party.
What? You went to Surgeon's birthday party? What fun weekends. Okay, so we're going to start with this weekend and since we're in the hall and we don't have it on the board, we're going to use this little mini board. We don't have a board out here. Now, to make sure that we start our sentences correctly, what are we starting with, Lottie? Capital. All right, Brayden, remember we're going to stay in between that blue and that red line. So under the red line is our basement, and we don't want to go down in the basement. So erase that little part right there. All right, good job, bud.
Another E right there?
Yes,
There's lots of E's.
there are lots of E's. Oop. Remember, we don't want anything near the red line. So we need to push this little inch below that dotted line. Okay, what do you want that first sentence to be? This weekend I
Bought new rings.
bought new rings. Okay, so what's that first word we need to sound out?
Bought.
Bought. What do you hear at the beginning? Good job, bud. All right. Now see that this red line and this blue line look just like this?
Bought.
This blue line, this red line? So write weekend, just like that. Okay, I bought. Now what comes between our words? What do we need to do next? Finger space. Rings. Good, now what comes at the end of a sentence? Alright, now Lottie, read that sentence for me.
This weekend I bought new.
You bought new rings or you bought rings? What does your sentence say?
Bought new.
Does your sentence say new rings?
No.
What does it say?
Bought rings.
Bought rings. So do you want to add new? Alright, then we need to erase this and add that word. Alright, bud. Alright, now our next word is what? I. Good job with the finger space. Okay, now let's think about what do we want that first sentence to be. This weekend you want to talk about Sojan's birthday party? What about this weekend I went to a party? You want to write that? All right, well, went. Let's see. Went is one of our sight words. Can you find the word went under our W's and point to it for me? All right. New rings. Is that one word or 2 separate words?
2 separate.
2 separate words. Now, where's our 2 words?
Together.
What do we forget to do?
Fingers.
Finger space. Good, bud. All right, so write that down here because we don't have enough room right there. And remember to keep it in between this dotted line and that red line for lowercase. There you go. Rings. All right, now read it.
This weekend I bought new rings.
Now what comes at the end of a sentence?
Period.
Good. I went, finger space, to, how do we spell to? Say word. Good, buddy. Okay, what comes after? Another. To a, what do you think?
Was that school building the Statue of Liberty? No, that's not my weekend.
Oh, below that dot.
I bought some dresses. dresses.
Oh, you bought some dresses too? Okay, so what is your sentence? Before we write it, let's think about it. What comes at the end, Brayden?
I went to Sarah's birthday party at Ninja World.
Ninja World? Okay, how about we write? Tell me if this sounds like a good sentence. We went to Ninja World. Does that sound like a good sentence? Okay. So first thing we want to do is we're going to start our sentence with we. So find we under our W sight words. Good. Now can you copy that down? But first, Brayden, look at me. What comes at the beginning of a sentence? When you start a word, capital. So make sure that W is capital. Read it to me.
This weekend I bought new dreams. I got dresses.
Dresses. Okay, what comes at the end? Period. Now remember, we're not worried about if we spell everything correctly. We just want to make sure that we're sounding out each letter and stretching that word out, right? All right, so think about your next sentence while I help Brayden.
I already figured it out.
All right, bud. What do we do? What lines do we keep our letters between?
That one and that one.
That one and that one. Now, what's up here? Do you need to fix that really quick? Let's fix that really quick. Let's keep it between that blue and red. And remember, lowercase goes below the dotted, and uppercase can go from the blue to the red. All right, what's the next one?
I write cards about a ninja club.
You wrote cards about a ninja club? Okay, so let's think of a good sentence we can write. I wrote cards about, for Ninja Club? I wrote cards for Ninja Club, is that what you did? Okay, so what do we start with? I.
This is my last sentence. This is my
Alright,
last
buddy, this is
sentence.
what I need to do. That's good that we're not getting our words up here below that blue line. I'm going to trace that capital W just so we make sure that we have it right. All right, trace that. Finger space. I wrote. So what do you hear at the beginning of wrote? Wrote. We, finger space.
Wrote.
Went. Now look, you already circled the sight word went. Can you write that one below that dotted line? Good job, buddy.